Carlos Yulo's success story began with his grandpa, who encouraged him as a young kid after seeing him doing tumbles and cartwheels on the street, and which was nurtured thereafter by school teacher/coach Ezra Canlas. A journey filled with dreams of making it to big-time competitions and predicated on dedication and years of hard work that led to competition at city meets, the national games or Palarong Pambansa, his training with Japanese gymnast coach Munehiro Kugemiya, and culminating in his double gold victory in Paris. Our Kenneth Paciente has more.
There is no denying that Filipino pride two-time Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo has come a long way because his name is now indelibly etched in the field of sports, especially in artistic gymnastics. But how did the career of our golden boy begin? From a simple child from Leveriza in Malate, Manila, Carlos's high aspirations were his capital to move forward in life. His teacher coach Ezra tells the story that even as a child, Kaloy showed potential in gymnastics. That's why it was a big deal that at a young age, young Carlos was so focused on improving and developing his raw talent.
Yung lolo niya kasi, si Mamboy, yun yung nakadiscover nung talent ni Kaloy kasi nga pag marami kasing gymnast doon sa Leveriza. So na-encourage siya na magta-tumbling. So instead na sa kalye nagtatumbling, dinala ni Mamboy sa gymnastics.
Despite his talent, Yulo remained grounded and disciplined. That's why it's inevitable that from city meets to the Palarong Pambansa, Carlos always brought home medals.
Napaka-dedicated niyan. May sariling program. Alam niya yung sa sarili niya, after school, ang routine niyan, school, and then maglalaro ng computer ng saglit, kasama yung mga friends, kasi bata. And then, pagkatapos nun, diretso na yun sa gym.
Because of his skills and determination, sports coaches began to notice Yulo until he reached the world stage and won not just one, but 2 gold medals in the recently concluded 2024 Paris Olympics. But according to Ezra, financial challenges were also part of Yulo's journey to success. But such obstacles did not stop Carlos from pursuing his dreams.
Nagsusulisit kami, lumalapit kami kay Congressman Bagat Singh kasi siya yung congressman ng District 5. In return, nagpe-perform sila. Kapag Kabaka Day, pag December, December, para makita. And then nagpe-pay back kami. Kunyari, nanalo na kami, lumaban kami sa labas, bumabalik kami, nagpapa-thank you kami doon sa mga tumulong sa amin na maitawid yung mga competitions.
That's why teacher Ezra could not be any prouder of Carlos's success, especially since she was part of Yulo's journey to winning gold.
Proud na proud kami sa iyo. Congratulations. Itinatak mo ang Pilipinas sa Olympics. Hindi na mabubura yan. Lalo na dito sa puso namin, dito sa Aurora, kung saan ka nagsimula. So, ang wish namin sa iyo, good health, huwag kang magbago. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Yulo is the second Filipino Olympic gold medalist following the historic queen of Filipino weightlifter Heidelin Diaz in the 2020 Tokyo Summer Olympics. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.